Introducing RESTORE2, a deterioration and escalation tool for care homes. Deterioration, including sepsis, is often recognised late, sometimes too late, and can have life-changing consequences. But what if we could identify it sooner? In hospital, in the emergency department, in the ambulance, in the general practitioners, or even in the care home? And what if we all spoke the same language and could communicate our concerns better, using methodologies like soft signs, News 2, SBARD?
RESTORE2 is a tool designed specifically for care homes with the support of carers and clinicians, and it's designed to help you to recognise potential physical deterioration. It relies on the 3 key outcomes that you need to ensure that your resident is safe. These are early detection of physical deterioration, a timeliness of response, and the RESTORE2 chart supports this by using the National Early Warning Scores, which is a common language across healthcare. The third component is the competency of clinical response, making sure that the person that comes to review your resident has the right skills in the right place at the right time. RESTORE2 is made up of 4 key components. The first part is soft signs. These are the early indicators that your resident may not be as well as they were previously, and they provide an entry point into the National Early Warning Scores. Some of the soft signs are very generic and apply to all residents, but you can also bespoke the tool with the unique signs that indicate deterioration for that particular person. The next part is doing physical observations using the National Early Warning Scores. These are 6 components of observations, which include the respiratory or breathing rate, the level of oxygen in your resident's bloodstream, their blood pressure, their heart rate, how conscious or alert they are, and their temperature. Together they give you a score between 0 and 20, and this score indicates how unwell your resident is. This is a common language across healthcare. Once you know your news, there is a bespoke communication escalation pathway to help you get the right help early. Depending on the news, you may either escalate internally to a senior member of staff, or contact your GP for advice or a clinical review, or frailty team if you have one, or you may be contacting your ambulance service if your patient or resident is very unwell. The last component of the RESTORE2 chart is a structured communication tool, in this case SBARD. This is to ensure that you get your message across and that you get the right help at the right time. SBARD stands for Situation, Background, Assessment, Recommendation and Decision, and it helps you structure your communication to ensure that you get your message across.
RESTORE2 is free to use and is available from the West Hampshire CCG website or NHS Creative. RESTORE2 has been designed to support carers to recognise and respond to physical deterioration. It was co-produced by West Hampshire CCG and Wessex Patient Safety Collaborative. It is free to use in its entirety and must be acknowledged if used as source material for other tools.